I can't win, I can't reign. I will never win this game without you, without you, without you, without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain. I will never be the same without you, without you, without you, without you, without you. I won't run, I won't fly. I will never make it by without you, without you. I can't rest, I can't fight. All I need is you and I without you, without you. Can't erase, so I'll take blame, but I can't accept that we're estranged without you, without you. I can't quit now, this can't be right. I can't take one more sleepless night without you, without you. I won't soar, I won't climb. If you're not here, I'm paralyzed without you, without you. I can't look, I'm so blind. I lost my heart, I lost my mind without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain. I will never be the same without you, without you, without you.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you
would be incomplete without Amy's presence in it. She's gentle, kind, smart, loyal, and level-headed. All the qualities I constantly sought to embody throughout my life, seeing her example. She sees the best in people and gently handles any situation. She's also one of the smartest people I know. She was not only on top of everything in school, but also her spiritual life. Her diligence in reading, learning the Bible. In regards to marriage, we all knew that God would honor this season as well, in his time, and he did. We love praising. We love his family, we love his personality, how quickly he clicked with all of us cousins, and just how we see him treat and love on Amy.
I will say Amy is unique in her own ways. She's very passionate, hardworking, a grounded person, and someone who stands firm in her faith and beliefs. She's always one to follow rules and has been very obedient throughout much of her life. And as an older sister and oldest cousin, I think she's done a great job being a role model for all of us.
Amy is seriously a hard worker. Amy truly is super diligent, super intelligent. Everything she does, I really appreciate that she really does it with her full heart. And I think that's something great to look up to. Having Amy as an older sister who set high standards and worked hard really influenced me as a person and kind of pushed me to be the best person I could be.
As the best man, I have had the privilege of knowing Praisen for many years, and I can confidently say that he is one of the most passionate individuals I've ever met. Whether it's his work, hobbies, or of course, his love for Amy, he always puts his heart and soul into everything he does. His zeal for life is truly infectious. I have no doubt that this same passion will continue to fuel the fire to our marriage for years to come.
My brother was the person I looked up to when growing up. He is genuine, kind, smart, cool, and has a great sense of humor. I haven't met a person who my brother has came into contact with that didn't like him. I believe asking Amy to marry you was the best decision of your life. I truly believe with all my heart God has brought you two together, and I want to wish you guys a blessed married life filled with bliss, years of laughter, harmony, love, and a life filled with God's blessings. So guys, let's raise a glass to Praisen and Amy.
I searched through the earth for something that could satisfy a peace for the hurt I had buried deep inside. Knees on the floor, I finally found everything I needed. You lifted my soul and opened up my eyes. And I never knew anything lasts forever till I found you, till I found you. I never dreamed anything could be better till I found you, till I found you. You rewriting my story, and I'm brand new like a morning. Oh, I never knew anything lasts forever till I found you, till I found you. Count all the days I'm chasing after what won't last. I'm done with building these castles that crumble like sand. Oh, knees on the floor, I finally found that everything I